ESG has been a way of life for us. It's built into our design and not just a mere addition. I think it's a thought process. It's the way we do work, and that is where we all are committed to make it happen.
Although I believe that Licious is doing good ESG in an industry which is otherwise ESG negative, given the effect that the current marketplace and the current way in which produce is slaughtered and processed in the wet markets of India. So when you have an ESG-led sourcing supply chain, the cost of sourcing goes up. When you have an ESG-led packaging standard, processing standard, the costs go up. But these costs make a big difference because they modernize the supply chain. They modernize the processing standard.
We definitely want to set ourselves as the benchmark in this space. We are looking into things like renewable energies. Then we are looking into resource conservation and emissions. Employee health and safety is one of the biggest things that we look into it.
Doing more from less, getting more productivity from the same area, challenging ourselves to become better is one way to drive ESG, creating a greener last mile and greener logistics system, driving a end-to-end traceability for the entire supply chain, being responsible for developing eco-friendly packaging are some of the aspects of ESG that supply chain is committed on.
We are a nation that is getting built, right? So when you extrapolate the future of the nation and its consumption and food, you will realize that, once upon a time, there was a Licious who actually was the crusader of fresh foods in a category where people used to say, ES what?